And we're going to continue on with a song which dates back to an event that happened in 1981. And each block cages a long case for the hunger strikes. It's a song by a young man called Volunteer Joe McDonnell, and he gave his life. Oh, my name is Joe McDonnell. From Belfast town I came, a city I will never see again. For it's in the town of Belfast I spent many happy days. I love that town in oh so many ways. And it was there I spent my childhood and found for me a wife. I then set out to make for her a life. But all my young ambitions met with bitterness and hate. I soon found myself inside a prison gate. And you dare to call me a terrorist while you let down your guns, when I think of all the deeds that you have done. You've plundered many nations, divided many lands. You have terrorized my people. You rule with an iron hand, and you brought this reign of terror to my lands. Through those many months, internments in the Maidstone and the base, they cut about my land throughout those days. Why my country was divided, why I was now in jail, imprisoned without a crime or without a trial. And although I love my country, I am not a better man. I've seen cruelty and injustice at first hand. So then, one fateful morning, I shook old freedom's hands. For right or wrong, I tried to free my land. And you dare to call me a terrorist while you look down your gun, when I think of all the deeds that you have done. You have plundered many nations, divided many lands. You have terrorized my people. You rule with an iron hand, and you brought this reign of terror to my lands. One cold October's morning, I was trapped in a lion's den. I found myself imprisoned once again. I was committed to the age blocks for 14 years or more. On the blankets, the conditions they were poor. Then a hunger strike we did commence for the dignity of man. But it seems to me that no one gave a damn. Ah, but now I am a silent man. I've watched my comrades die. If only people cared or wondered why. And you dare to call me a terrorist while you let down your gun. When I think of all the deeds that you have done, you have plundered many nations, divided many lands. You have terrorized my people. You rule with an iron hand, and you brought this reign of terror to my land. May God shine on you, Bobby Sands, for the courage that you have shown. May your glory and your faith be widely known. And brave Francis and Ray McCreesh, who died unselfishly, and Patsy O'Hara, and next in line that's me. And to those who lie behind me, may your courage be the same. And I pray to God our lives were not in vain. Long, sad and bitter was the year of 1981. All is not lost, and it's still going to be won. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you.